If you want absolute raw power that can handle heavy rendering, complex 3D design, or massive datasets, you are forced to buy a massive, power-hungry desktop tower that clutters your desk and sounds like a jet engine. But leaked internal testing benchmarks and engineering schematics prove that the upcoming Apple Mac Mini M5 is about to completely obliterate this dynamic, rendering traditional desktop PCs entirely obsolete. We are talking about a microscopic machine, a box that can easily sit in the palm of your hand, that is delivering computational metrics that outperform traditional multi-thousand-dollar workstations. If you think this is just another standard incremental upgrade from Apple, you are completely miscalculating what is coming. Think about the psychological wall that tech companies have forced us to accept for years. The belief that size equals performance. We have been conditioned to think that to get pro-level performance, we need giant motherboards, loud cooling fans, and a massive power supply drawing hundreds of watts from the wall. Apple shattered that illusion when they introduced their own custom silicon architecture. But what they have engineered for the M5 generation is a quantum leap that defies the current laws of consumer electronics. This is not just a minor speed bump to keep up with the competition. This is a complete re-architecting of desktop computing, designed to put absolute unthrottled power into a form factor so small it practically disappears on your workspace. Let us address the single biggest hidden frustration that desktop users face every single day: thermal throttling and power efficiency. Traditional desktop processors generate an immense amount of heat the moment you push them with heavy tasks like video editing, software compilation, or complex mathematical modeling. To keep from melting, those systems have to ramp up massive internal fans, creating a wall of noise, or they have to intentionally slow down their own processing speed to cool off. This means you are paying for power that you can only use in short, brief bursts before the machine chokes itself. The Mac Mini M5 completely eliminates this bottleneck through a revolutionary engineering shift under the hood. Internal component leaks confirm that the M5 chip is built on a highly advanced custom 2-nanometer manufacturing process. To understand why this is a massive deal, look at the physical reality of computer chips. The smaller the manufacturing process, the tighter you can pack the transistors. Apple has managed to cram tens of billions of additional transistors into a piece of silicon smaller than a postage stamp. Because these pathways are microscopically small, electrons travel shorter distances, requiring drastically less power and generating almost zero ambient heat. This allows the Mac Mini M5 to run at its absolute maximum clock speed indefinitely, with zero thermal degradation, maintaining a completely silent acoustic profile even under sustained, heavy computational loads. But the sheer processing speed is only the foundation of what makes this machine terrifying for the rest of the industry. The real magic lies in how Apple is re-engineering the memory architecture to handle the next era of computing. Traditional computers use standard random access memory chips placed across a motherboard, forcing data to travel down long pathways to reach the processor, creating a tiny but noticeable delay every single time your computer tries to think. The M5 architecture expands on Apple's unified memory design, bringing a massive ultra-wide memory bus directly onto the chip